Hello YouTube. Today in this video I am going to be embellishing this size 2 hard bottom baby shoe. This is a Vans and I purchased this from Journeys, Kids Journeys, for about no more than $35 to $40 for these shoes. They're all white, very plain, cute the way they are, but I want to pizzazz them up or jazz them up. So what I'm going to do is add some clear rhinestones to the majority of the shoe, and then you will see me add some pink, some very bright pink rhinestones as well. So you will need E6000 glue and some rhinestones. These are just cheap basic resin rhinestones, and you'll also need some type of lid to put your rhinestones in as well. You need to wipe the shoes off to make sure they don't have any debris or dust on them, so just take a little alcohol pad or something of that nature. Just wipe them off where you'll be applying the stones. So what you'll see me do is just start to add the stones to this area. I am using 4mm. I'll also be using 3mm, 5mm, and at some point I'll add in some 2mm just to fill in those little small spaces. And these rhinestones can be purchased on eBay. They're very inexpensive for the resin rhinestones. You can get a bag of rhinestones for about 12 bucks or under, depending upon how many you get. So just watch me continue to add the rhinestones. Here are my various lids I have here to keep all of the sizes separate. So just go ahead and see how I apply the stones. And then those are the pink stones I told you about. This is probably one of my first time using some pink stones. And they are all AB, so they have that pretty iridescent look to them. So just keep working in small areas, because sometimes the E6000 glue will dry out on you. You don't want that to happen, so you want to go ahead and apply the stones as quickly as you can, but you don't want to rush because you want this to be cute. So just continue watching and you'll see how they come together. As you can see, I have started adding the pink rhinestones, and they have the AB effects. You can see they have like a little bit of shine hitting them, and they're very, very cute. I'll be adding these pink rhinestones to 2 areas of the shoes. So right now, just go ahead and watch how I add them to this little strip area, just to give that a little pop there. So just keep going, and you don't have to use these colors. You could add whatever colors you choose. This is just to give you an idea how you can make this shoe different and bold and stand out from other people who have this same exact shoe. Yours will definitely be a conversation piece or a statement piece. So go ahead and add those rhinestones. Even if you want to, another cute idea I just thought about, if you have different color rhinestones, you can color block these. You could do a different color on the strips, a different color where I have the clear, and on the toe you can do a different color. So there's quite a bit that you can do with shoes like these. So just stay tuned. Now here I'm adding the rhinestones to the back area. So just check out how I just pretty much cover the whole shoe with various different sizes. Okay, so you saw me adding rhinestones to the toe area. They're so sparkly and pretty. On that area I added, I used all 3mm. And now I'm on the other side of the shoe doing the same exact thing I did before with the pink rhinestones. And you'll just see me do the same thing for the inner side of the shoe. So just go ahead and keep watching just to see how it comes together. Okay, as you can see here, I completed the entire back. It's really coming out very, very pretty, as you can see. So on this next area, you see right here, I just pointed to, I am going to do pink across these little Velcro straps. So go ahead and check that out. And I think it looks so cute the way it ties in with the little strip on the sides. Okay, so the strips are done. It looks like the shoe is complete, but as you can see, this area around the side of the Velcro straps, right along this little white area that you see right here, I'm going to start adding stones right there. So I'm just going to take my time, add the glue in those areas, and try to get it tight as possible. But if you don't feel like waiting for that, this one right here is the finished look. I did do one shoe so you can see how it looks all completed. Can continue to watch just to see how I went ahead and got in between these areas here. So you just want to choose the best size rhinestones to just fill this area up, because the whole goal is so you don't see any more white or whatever the color is of your shoe. You want the rhinestones to be as close as possible, so you're just not seeing so much of what's left underneath the rhinestones. So I did have to open up this little Velcro area here. Make sure you're careful doing that because my stones weren't all the way dry. So I had to carefully open this part up. See, I'm carefully closing that area back up as well. So I'm just adding a couple more here to tie everything in. Okay, right here, I'm trying to show you something. You see how I had room to get in here on this shoe and add those stones there? For some reason, this shoe, can you see that? It's so tight right here. I can barely get in there. It's like the shoes are two different sizes, but they're not. So I guess they're a little asymmetrical. No, they're not asymmetrical. Is that what I'm trying to say? It's like they're irregular. Like, just look at them. Like, one looks slightly different than the other in certain areas. So what I had to do was and I'm going to add some rhinestones too with that toe area, or that tongue of the shoe area. I don't think I recorded though. See right here where I'm pointing to right there. I'm going to add some stones right there too. But look here. So I had to add some glue, slither it in this little bitty corner, and go 3mm right here just to kind of have something covering that up. Because at first I was just going to leave it, but I was like, no, I can't leave it. I need to put something in there. But the other shoe definitely gave me much more room right there. I'm not sure what that's about. So I guess when they were doing quality control, when they put the shoes in the store, shipped them to the stores, this one might have slid through because it definitely is not the exact same on this area right here. But I figured it out. So look right here where I'm adding some glue here. I'm just going to just touch up where it looks like there's too much white showing, and just add a couple more stones so it doesn't seem like I missed some areas. Again, that's the shoe not being symmetrical with the other one. So I'm almost finished, and the shoe is gorgeous. I love it. Like my daughter, she can't fit these now. Maybe when she's about 5 or 6 months, she can fit these. And these are just going to be extremely, extremely cute. Okay, now this is the final results of the shoes, and I Love them. I hope seeing this video, you are inspired to bling out some shoes for your daughter too, or your niece, or yourself, or whoever. I love these, and I have done quite a few shoes. Well, for my other daughter, she's 6, and these are probably one of my top 5. These are in my top 5 of shoes that I have done, and I really, really, really like these. I hope you like them too. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if that's what you like to do, and I'll insert some more pictures so you can see all angles. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.